Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're liking my content, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So my today's topic is DHT11 sensor interfacing with OLED. As you all can see, I have interfaced DHT11 sensor with the OLED. Okay, so here you can see it is 46%. Okay, right now it is showing 46% of humidity. So this range is around 20 to 80%. Okay, and the temperature range is around 0 to 50 degrees Celsius with plus or minus 2 accuracy. Okay, so we are going today in my video I'm going to show you how to interface DHT11 sensor with OLED with the help of Arduino. So let's move on. So this is my OLED. Here you can see this is my 128 cross 64 LED size. So the 128 are columns and the 64 are rows. For address selection, as you all can see, it is specified IIC address select. It is 0 cross 3C and 0 cross 3D. So from this you can take any one address. Now let's talk about the connection part, how we will do the connections. So let's first take DHT11 sensor. So our first pin is ground, so we'll connect this gray wire to the ground. Okay, then you have data pin. So in the program I have chosen pin number 2, digital pin number 2. Then the third pin is VCC. Okay, so I'll give 5 volt. Okay, now let's see the connection of OLED. OLED uses 3.3 volt or 3 to 5 volt. Okay, I'm giving 3 volt. Basically everyone is using 3 volt only for LED, and for DHT sensor you can use 3 volt or 5 volt, anyone according to your requirement or according to the availability, which pins are available. So here you can see the first pin is ground, so I'll connect this gray wire to the ground. Okay, now my second pin is VCC, so I'll connect this VCC, that is my purple wire, to 3.3 volt. Okay, you can see it here. Now the next is SCL and SDA. Okay, the SCL is blue wire, so you can turn your Arduino around. You can see here are SDA and SCL lines. Okay, SDA and okay, so SCL to SCL connection and SDA to SDA connection. So our connection part is done. About SCL and SDA I will explain you in some time what are they. So you got the connection part. Now let's talk about the coding part, but before coding part let's talk about what is SDA and SCL lines. Okay, so these are the two lines of I2C protocol. I2C is a serial communication protocol in which data is transferred bit by bit along a single wire. Okay, that is through SDA line. Okay, and SDA is a serial data line, the line for master and slave to send and receive the data. And SCL, as the name suggests, serial clock, the line that carries the clock signal. Okay, So in I2C, synchronization is needed, so output of bits is synchronized to the sampling of bits by the clock signal shared between the master and the slave. So in our OLED, we are having SD and SCA lines. We connect our OLED with the Arduino through I2C protocol. Okay. So for that we are using SDA to SDA connection and SCL to SCL connection. Now let's move towards the coding part. So here, as you all can see, I have included 4 libraries. Okay, wire.h, Adafruit, GFX and SSD1306. SSD1306 is a library for OLED, and DHT.h is the DHT sensor library, and wire.h, this is the library for I2C protocol, that is for I2C communication. We are using wire.h library. Okay, and there is one more library, that is Adafruit sensor library we are using. You have to just download that file, you don't have to include it here. Okay, so I'll show you how to include this library. So just open the Google, write Adafruit SSD1306 library. Okay, so you will see this. Click the first option and go here, that this section clone or download. Open it. You can see the option download zip, and one link is also given here. So there are two ways by which you can include the library in your Arduino, that is through downloading the zip file and by taking the link given over here. Okay, so just click here for downloading it. As I have already downloaded, I am not going to download it again. And for using by including the library using this link, you can just copy paste it. Okay, so now let's move to Arduino. Open your Arduino, open your sketch, then go to include library and add a zip library. Okay, by clicking this, your a window will be open about documents, downloads and everything. From there, go to the downloads and you can see the library name SSD1306. Just click on that, open it, and your library will be included in the Arduino. Okay, and the second option is that go to the preferences, then the link which you have copied, just paste it here. Okay, delete this and copy paste it. Okay, I mean paste it over here. Okay, then click on OK and your library will be included, and you can see your library over here. Okay, as I can see SSD1306 I've already installed before, so this is showing here. But if in your case you are not able to see this library over here, just close your Arduino and open it again, you will see your library here. Okay, so let's move forward. Next is define the DHT pin, that is the data pin, the pin through which you have to send your data. So I have selected the digital pin number 2. Select your data type. I have selected DHT11. Okay, and then reset the OLED. Then after that, this is the command for on OLED. For resetting it, this is the command display OLED underscore reset. Okay, after that just initialize the DHT sensor. Okay, now what about void setup part? Okay, now you have to set up. Okay, so you have to begin the communication. Okay, so first we will begin the communication of I2C protocol, and after that we'll begin the OLED. Okay, so first for DHT sensor, first to begin the I2C communication, we have to use wire.begin instead of serial.begin. Okay, it is same as serial.begin. Next is DHT.begin. To initialize DHT sensor, we are using DHT.begin. Okay, the next part is this display.begin and SSD1306 switch cap VCC and something. Here you have to give the address. Okay, I have shown you before coding that beside OLED there are two addresses given. Okay, from two of them you have to choose one and write it over here, any of it. Okay, now next is set the serial dot begin baud rate 9600. Now we have set up. Okay, we have done the setup part. Now let's move to the loop part. As you can see in the first line only I have given the delay of 2 seconds. So I have given this 2 delay seconds because DHT sensor gives the output data, gives the output or gives the new reading or takes the reading every 2 seconds only. But in between 2 seconds your data won't be changed, and after 2 seconds only you will get the new data. Okay, so for reading I am giving DHT sensor the time that is 2 seconds. Okay, so now we'll define the three variables H, T and F. H for humidity, T for temperature, and one more F for Fahrenheit. Okay, this will show me in Celsius and this will show me in Fahrenheit. Okay, and humidity will be shown in percentage. Now we'll check the three conditions that DHT will check. Three of them, that I'm getting humidity, temperature in Celsius and Fahrenheit. If the sensor is getting all the three readings, then only it will move here, right? Then only it will move here. If it is not getting any one of them, then it will show the message fail to read from DHT sensor. And as you can see, I've used display.print fail to read from DHT sensor. So this is the message that I want to display. Okay, so for displaying that I have to print on OLED. So for printing on OLED, first of all clear the screen. For clearing the screen, that is any data whichever you have used in your previous code or anything, just clear that. Then set the color, text color. I have used your white. You can use blue or any color also. You can try. I've only tried white and blue color. The next is set the text size. I've set it as 1. Okay, you can try with 2 also. You will see what is the difference between 1 and 2. Okay, if you choose 2, then it will be very mix up. You won't get a clear view what is written over there. Okay, so as we have to write 3 lines. Okay, we have to write humidity, temperature and temperature. Our screen is small. Okay, so that's why I'm using the text size 1. If you are having only one line to display, you can use the text size 2 also. So for that I'm saying you can try. You will see the difference between 1 and 2. Okay, next is set the cursor at 50. Okay, we are choosing the coordinate at which position I have to start this line. Okay, so the next part is if the sensor is reading all the if it is getting all the three readings, then it will come over here and again clear display, set color, size, then give the cursor position as 00. Okay, so at the left hand side 00 means on the left top corner. Okay, OLED will write humidity semicolon, then it will give the value of H, and then it will give the sign percentage at the end. Okay, then in the next line, that is after 10, in the 10th row, okay, you can see 0 comma 10. In the 10th row it will write temperature. Again it will give the value of temperature and that will be in Celsius. Then at the 20th line you will get the temperature in Fahrenheit. So friends, hope you got the coding part. Now let's see what you're going to get at the output of the OLED. Okay, so you can see here the humidity is 41%, temperature is around 28 and in Celsius, and in Fahrenheit it is 83 point something. Okay, so one more thing, if you want to check that this sensor is working properly or not. It is changing with the time, or means according to the weather conditions it is changing or not. So I'll show you the demo. I have taken a wet cloth in my hand. I'll keep it near the DHT sensor. You can see the humidity is increasing at every 2 seconds. See, the humidity is increasing. It has gone up to 80 and that. Okay, so you can see it is increasing. And the next, for temperature, I can show you one thing, that you can see here there is no sunlight, but if I take this in the sunlight, just a minute, see here it is 28.30 temperature. Okay, I'll show you by moving it in sunlight. You can see the temperature is increasing slowly as it is in presence of sunlight. Some heat is reaching over it. So you can see the temperature has increased up to 28.40 and it was 28.10. So this is working. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked my content. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.